In this video, I want to show you how to make a copy using the Epson WF-2930. So let's get started. To make a copy, you need to scan a document, and this printer has two scanners. The first one is an automatic document feeder that is located on the top. This is great if you have multiple pages. Imagine you have 20 pages. You simply need to place them facing up with the top part of your page towards the left side. Then glide them and you're going to hear a beep. This is important. It means that the printer has noticed you have input something there. Now, if you just want to scan one page and make a copy of that page, you're going to use the scanner glass, which is located over here. Place your document facing down with the top part towards the right side, like that. Now there's an arrow over here. We simply need to drag the paper until the corner of the paper touches the corner with an arrow. Close the lid. And now we need to go on the control panel. Select copy. It's the first option. If you don't see it, press the home button. Select if you want a color copy or a black and white copy. I want a black and white, so I'll select black and white. Select the number of copies. You can add or subtract using the up and down arrow. And now when you're ready, you simply need to press this button over here to start the copy. Make sure your printer has some paper. And here we go, we got our black and white copy. If it was a document with multiple pages inserted on the top document feeder, all of them will come out of here. Thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.